Oh my God! Look at Ruel. Ang cute ni Ruel doon. Nakita nyo, guys. Grabe how they do it and the harmony was so good. You know what, guys? Buti hindi naman sila kinabahan at kumanta sila ng My Way on stage. Alam niyo naman ang history ng My Way sa Pilipinas. Hey! Bravo! What's up, everyone? It's me, your Sudichi John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we are back to another reaction video of the clones of Elvis Presley and Matt Monroe, which is Ruel Carino and Jerome Ebardome. Yes, Ebardome pala, guys. Oh, hindi pala Ebardone. Namali tayo doon. Sorry na po. Pronunciation wrong is wrong. Pero tinatama natin. And yes, it's a collaboration. Collaboration singing of Matt Monroe and Elvis Presley, aka Ruel and Jerome, singing My Way. And there's additional, guys, there's additional guest here to their performance, which is the Gary V of the Philippines, which is Lucky. Oo, Lucky. Sa tawag ng tanghalan siya, you know. And thank you so much po sa nag-request nito. Naku, nakaka-excite to kasi we just recently reacted to Ruel Carino. And then I had a first-time reaction with Jerome Evardome as Elvis Presley. Grabe, nakaka-believe. And Ruel Carino is 14 years old and Jerome is just 20 years old. He just turned 20 this October, if I'm not mistaken, or November. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. But happiest birthday to you, Jerome. Mabuhay ka at salamat sa iyong talento. And of course, you see, these are Gen Z singers with the golden classic voice. Kaya naman excited tayong i-check itong performance na ito. But before we proceed, guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Oh my God, kaboses talaga. Oh my God, guys. Grabe. Started by Jerome Ebardome. Ayan na, tama na. Ebardome na yung sinasabi ko, guys. Ebardome. Oo, gusto niya Ebardome. Charat. Grabe, no? Kaboses niya talaga si Elvis, guys. And it's with Ruel Carino. So, nakakatuwa. Let's see how Matt Monroe and Elvis sing this. I'll say it clear. Look at Ruel. Ang cute ni Ruel doon. Nakita nyo, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. We have to give it to this amazing singers. Grabe. Matt Monroe and Elvis, guys. And Ruel is so goofy, no? May sense of humor. And he even jumped in, guys. You know what, guys? Buti hindi naman sila kinabahan at kumanta sila ng My Way on stage. Alam niyo naman ang history ng My Way sa Pilipinas. Charez. Oh my God. Oh. Ito ba yung sa Bataan, guys? Oh my God. Ito ata yung sa Bataan na event no, guys. Grabe. These two amazing artists. Nakakatuwa to see them. Do they have their own like cover songs of like other songs as well? I saw like from Ruel there is like OPM songs. And do they have the same vocal? Do they use the same vocal when they do cover? Because like I'm curious to know what is their normal singing voice, 'di ba? Because if they can do clones for this iconic male icon singers, they will have their own version as well of vocal. Wherein it's gonna be great as well for sure, right? Hinangat yung, hinangat yung mic. Grabe. Nakakatawa si Ruel. It's so cute. And you know what, guys? Pasensya na kayo if I keep on stopping it because I don't want to put some overlays and overlay music. Kasi kapag tinuloy-tuloy natin siya ng bonggang-bongga, alam niyo naman yung mangyayari. Wala kayong maririnig. Charit. Oo, kaya pasensyahan nyo na. And of course, this is a reaction video, so I want to give comments all the time as well. Napaka-pogi, sabi ni Ruel. Ang kulit ni Ruel. Ay, eto na. Ay, eto na si Lucky joining them as Gary V. O, diba? From international to our own Mr. Pure Energy, Gary Valenciano. Nakalimutan ko yung apelido niya, guys. I-comment nyo na lang. Pero alam ko si Lucky to. Kasi he was featured in Tawag ng Tanghalan as well. He joined Tawag ng Tanghalan before. Aww. Oh my God, Gary V! Nakakatawa! Oh my God. The harmony. Oh my God! Grabe, the harmony. And you know, yung chemistry ng tatlong vocals na ito, at rinig na rinig ko si Matt Monroe. Bigay na bigay siya, give na give siya sa My Way na ito. At ito naman, nasa gitna siya talaga. Sobrang cute ni Roel, nakakatawa. And of course, Jerome was so good. Oh, diba? Hindi na naman tayo nagbayad ng internet. Siya rin. Oh, Gary V. Diba? Lahat sila naka-record talaga, ang mga mommies natin. At I heard, guys, that not only na mga mommies ang kanila, pati mga Gen Zs as well. Like what I said in my previous reaction, these Gen Z music artists who clones a classic male icon, they are connecting generations. 'Di ba? Talagang two generations yung kanilang magiging audience because as a Gen Z, you're amazed to discover this new talent. And yung mga mommies naman and the oldies, alam nila yung boses na to. So, they're gonna follow through. So, it's hitting two birds in one stone. Ganun yun. Ayan, medyo nagloloko na naman po yung internet. Kuha-kuha ni Jerome yung lambing ng Elvis talaga. Ang cute. They have this like banter chemistry. Hey! Harmony. Oh my God, guys, goosebumps. Grabe. Like, if you're gonna close your eyes, you will hear three amazing vocals of Elvis Presley, Matt Monroe, and Gary Valenciano. But when you open your eyes, it's a different singers. Grabe how they do it, and the harmony was so good. Iba-ibang version. Oh my God! Oh, wait lang, guys. Gusto ko tong part na to kasi tingnan natin how they will harmonize the end or the climax of My Way. Oh my God! Amazing performance! Lucky, Ruel, and Jerome. It was so good, guys. Grabe. Ay, hindi pa tapos. Hey! Bravo! Oh my God! Amazing performance, guys. Dagdag TF. Dagdag TF daw. Grabe si Roel. Nakakatuwa. Isa pa daw. Dagdag talent fee. Di ba? Sumisigaw pa sila. One more. Isa pa. Ay, si Kuya nag... Thank you sa'yo, Kuya, for taking this video. There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino, Jerome Ebardome, and Lucky as Elvis Presley, Matt Monroe, and Gary V. Grabe, what an entertaining performance from these three amazing vocal clones from Itbulaga, and now they're making their own names as the Elvis Presley of the Philippines, the Matt Monroe of the Philippines, and of course Gary V's clone of the Philippines as well. Sobrang nakakatuwa, and I love how they sing it pure-heartedly and genuinely. At the same time, they're being themselves, like goofy on stage, and also, not really being like Matt Monroe or being Elvis. They're also bringing their own generation as a singer. And you see that last part, like Ruel said, like dagdag talent fee. Diba? Grabe, nakakatawa. Very humble and genuine singers, and of course, amazing vocals. I can't wait to see more of their performances. And if you have any other requests, you can comment down below and we will check that out for you. So that's all with our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.